Hey everybody, welcome back to Paul's Workshop. Today we're going to be taking a look at some Red Devil pliers that we picked up. Should be a quick one. They just need a light cleanup. There's not too much rust involved. We just want to lube them, clean them up, make them look good. Here's what we have to start with. These are Red Devil giant grip pliers. Looks like 7.5 inches. A slip joint plier, which you see you can open it up, get a bigger bite on it. There's the back side. You see just a light patina. Not too much damage really to the jaws. Overall, they're in pretty good condition. So I think a light cleanup on our wire wheel, a little polishing. So what I thought was going to be an easy cleanup turns out that there's a little more to this than I thought originally. You can see the pitting in it. I know I saw that this was obscured. I was hoping that that was going to come off. But the pitting is in the nameplate too. So, well, there's what we have so far. It's bringing up a nice shine. I mean, I really would like to get those pits out of it. Well, I decided to give it a try on the flap wheel. Still needs quite a bit more, but well, unfortunately, some of the flap disc and belt sander steps didn't save here on the camera, but here it is finished. Give it a nice smooth finish. It worked very nicely. There's still some minor pitting in there, and I could always go back and do some more on it. I put a scratch in that there when I was putting it back together. So, yeah, this could use some more work, but I think I'm happy with it for now. So that's the Red Devil Giant Grip Pliers. Let me know what you think in the comments. Maybe ways this can be improved. I do think I'm going to do some wire brushing and give it a more satin finish, but yeah, I guess you got to learn somehow, right? Now there's a few finished restorations along with some future restorations, and I'm just wondering if you guys have any idea which one would you like to see us do next. Let me know there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do you want to see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5 next? I'm not sure. They all present their challenges. I think number 1 looks like it's bent. So that's going to be interesting. There's number 2. Big number 3. Number 4, definitely some damage. And finally, number 5, who's got some peening over. Nice wooden handle. Thanks for watching.